Hi everybody. My name is Ameya. I am an incoming sophomore at Homestead High School, and my project was obstacle avoiding robot using Raspberry Pi. First, I used Arduino. Some back backup information. So as Fred told you, I had done smile recognition before. That project was mainly a software project. So for my next 3 weeks, I decided to do a more hardware project. And when I finished that project early, I decided to combine my two projects together. Here is a demo of my project. As you can see, it detects obstacles based on an infrared sensor. And then later I got it to take images of the obstacles using a Raspberry Pi camera. So here is a basic design of the hardware side. There's a battery pack for the Raspberry Pi, the Pi camera, which is how I took images, the infrared sensor in the front that detects if there is an obstacle, and then way back over there, there's a motor driver. So basically how this project worked was there were pins in on the Raspberry Pi that connected to the motor driver and told the motor driver what to do. The motor driver then turned the motors. The infrared sensor was there to tell how far away it was from an obstacle. The Raspberry Pi conveyed it to the motor driver, and the motor driver moved backwards or forwards. Here are some of the images I got. So this is where I combine both of my projects. So here's an image of my couch, which the robot detected as an obstacle. It did not find a face, therefore I could not do small prediction. Over here, I used my own face, and it detected a face right here, and it decided that I was smiling. So yeah, that's what happened. And then some challenges I faced was that my ultrasonic sensor actually broke a couple days before demo night. So I had to switch to the infrared sensor, and it worked out well for me in the end, but it was tough to switch, especially because I had spent so much time working on the ultrasonic sensor. Another thing I had to do was add more space to my frame. My frame was a little small. I don't know if you saw, but my motor driver was actually on a milk carton piece that I attached the end of my frame. Some modifications or next steps, if I had more time, would be to have the smile recognition software deploy right after I took the image. Right now, I get the image and then I send that image to a different script, which then determines if it's smiling or not. Anyways, at the end, I am excited that I was able to do both a software and a hardware project. Bluestamp gave me a great opportunity in the coronavirus time to hone on my engineering and programming skills. I am super excited to have added these two skills. I realized that they are super dependent on each other. And then thank you.